Olympic Way is known for so many things. Holding a vibe, partying when COVID not keep, and of course artists. Arthur Whale is working with a few.
Life is a journey. Today you're here, tomorrow you're not around. Just listen now. In the midst of life, I get angels. In the middle of night, I get the best angel. You put up a fight, one go rest angel. Fly away like an archangel.
I know we know what I'm going with Ambassador, one of Darren Hall's upcoming actor. Right now, what Ambassador?
There, Sanjay, I give thanks to life, you know?
That's the one.
Naturally.
Talk to me a little bit about how you get the name, the R Ambassador.
Well, our ambassador, I see him bridging, and me and they talk about. Big up Derek in New York.
Yeah.
I saw the name they really come still, you know? It's like we're there in a foreign as a youth and the energy, the swag, you know? The flavor, you know? A government I did name first, you know?
Yeah.
But you know, sometimes the government not so good, sometimes they're not so bad. So it kind of weird thing on the name, and the man them say right now, we are going to give your name in the same similarity there. So a man ball out ambassador. Okay. So my brethren Derek now, I say, I'm not just ambassador, so a R ambassador, because the man a Rasta, you know?
Yeah.
So I just, the existence that I and I name, you know?
Okay, Rasta ambassador, R ambassador.
So that's, yeah, you know, same so.
That's a good. So you did spend a little time of foreign then?
I spent a lot of time at foreign. Yeah, man. I was in America for a period of time as youth. I grew up, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
True,
East Coast,
man.
Philadelphia, big up on yourself. Yeah.
That's a good. Talk to me about the music now. A lot of people who might not be familiar with your sound, how would you describe your music to those people?
Well, I music, reality music, you know?
Yeah.
Cultural music, you know?
And in terms of terms of your sound then, you know what I mean? How you describe your sound?
Well, as you hear my name, it's different. So my sound different. When you hear my sound, you're going to know. Once you hear me one or two times, you're going to familiar with my voice and my sound, you know?
Yeah.
A roaring sound, man. A roar, you know? The lion power, you know? The same lion sound, you know? Poverty still a walk up and down. Freedom straight. Poverty still a walk up and down. Like as if they don't see.
Which part of Jamaica are you from, originally?
I was born in a public hospital.
So you're a Kingstonian then?
Yeah, man, but at Kingston 11, I'm a birthplace, the ground where we're there right now. You see me? Yes, as a matter of fact, you interview me in my yard.
Yeah.
See you.
Born and grew.
Yeah, man.
Talk to me now about, you know, some of the things, how your environment, how your community even influence your music.
We sing reality music, cultural music, so we sing where we see. We sing where we live. We sing where we people them see, and
yeah,
it's a struggle.
Down at Olympic where we're there right now, you know, say you must see whole heap of things.
Whole heap of something, man. I remember say we're a grown man now, so we must see a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Birds try fly with broken wings, you know?
Yeah.
Rising and the falling of many kings, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, that's the whole heap of thing, man.
That's a good one. And who are some of the artists who maybe come before that were influences to that?
Well, as you can see, I tell you, sir, yes, I'm here, so a Kingston 11 I'm a place, and a Shabba Ranks place.
Yeah.
And a Shabba bring I to the portfolio same way as a juvenile, you know what I'm saying? Shabba the first one who put a mic in a I and put type on the stage and say perform, you know?
Yeah.
So, yeah, man, an honor to Shabba, the Grammy kid, man, you know? Godfather, you know, the emperor.
How that link there come about? How did that happen? How did that opportunity come about?
Well, as me and you talking, Sanjay, see the house that there, so
yeah.
I house that as a little youth, and the house that are the base that Shabba and the whole of the man them used to come link up with I parents, you know?
Yeah.
So Shabba was always around, Shabba even close to I uncle at a wheel and thing, you know? So by growing up with the same flavor, you know?
Yeah.
You see Shabba flavor youth.
Yeah.
So Shabba see the flavor in a way and we see it in our Grammy kid, and energy follow energy, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I father have a big input in it also, you know.
So speaking of that now, you know, you mentioned your uncle and your father, you obviously come from a musical family.
Yeah, man. As you see, we're there in the studio, we're upstairs on the studio, see?
Yeah.
And I'm a yard. So we grew here, so Admiral Bailey them did so right now a record, you know?
Yeah.
So it's the environment, the wind, the music wind in our blood, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good, man, that's a good. Talk to me about some of the lessons where you even learn musically or even like just life lessons from being around a great icon like Arthur Whale in the music?
Well, we learn so we have to humble ourselves. Forget there. Anywhere you go where is a destination. You know? We'll teach us so we have to humble ourselves, you know? And we see it work, you know? So we believe, you know, just humble yourself and put in the work.
Speaking of putting in the work now, you have a single right now where you're a promoter, you have a video where you're premiere and beer things. Talk to you about the single.
Yeah, Freedom Street. I create all of the heat right now. I get the great Sanjay writer, so it get our ambassador writer. So Freedom Street are the single where we are premiere right now. It are the buzz globally and internationally, locally. You know what I'm saying? It's all about Freedom Street right now because the people them really need that, you know?
What's the inspiration behind Freedom Street?
The inspiration behind Freedom Street is the whole thing we're happening right now, the whole pandemic, the whole upsiding down, the whole abduction of the children, them, the whole killing of the woman, you know what I'm saying, the woman, them, the whole thing, the whole, you know, look good.
Yeah.
That are the inspiration behind Freedom Street. You know?
Who's the producer for this one?
Global Life Records, out in Las Vegas. Big up yourself, my boss.
Talk to me now about what you have in works. What are you working toward? You just have put out some single now, or what's the goal?
The goal, as I say, no artists don't really know the peak where them are go. The goal is to put out a lot of work, see? And we have a lot of singles out now. So we and management team are discuss an album coming, you know? I would say real soon, but coming soon, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah,
so
man.
all that's the plan as an artist?
The same formula we get I and I here, we are going to just maintain the formula there, you know? Put out the work, Sanjay. Work. You can't lazy, you have to have your work ethics have up. So we just go and put out some work. We now watch no pandemic, we now watch no struggling. We just keep focused and no say, but you know, this we are dealing. To the platform and to the biggest and the greatest platform. And that's how we are.
Let them know what them can find up on social media and everything there.
Yeah, them can find I and I on Facebook, Rasta Ambassador, Instagram, our Ambassador, you know? And them can always find I and I writer, so you know, Kingston 11, you know? Free Willis Studio, you know? Arthur Whale Studio, you know?
And lastly, I want you to tell them what most makes our ambassador intense.
What makes our ambassador intense is the difference I and I, you know, I and I had the Rasta 3000, you know, you can see it, you know. We are different culture, but, you know, the flavor there in the culture, you know.
Man, not even say 2000, man, say Rasta 3000. Our ambassador, look out for him. That's a real freedom fighter.
Yeah, man, Freedom Street to the world.
Yeah.